All right, it's raining and this window broke. The regulator that's on it, there was a bolt that was holding it on. I'll show you guys after. And another one over here, right here, you can see was weighing down for a while because the top one had fallen off. And over time, the wire that pulls, let me see if I can get a picture of it. No, you can't see it. But there's like a pulley system in here, and it snapped. So this thing fell down, and we're getting like 6 days straight of rain, and I need to fix it. So I got a new part, and I'm gonna see what I can do to get this fixed. Probably gonna have to stop and do a couple different shots because I'm doing this all by myself. Wish me luck, mate. So after taking the card off the door, which is pretty easy, and I'll show you guys where the spots were to, like, what screws to remove. Actually, I'll show you right now. Pretty straightforward. So this is the door handle, so this is the top of the door. There was a screw in there, one in there, one here, one in the door handle, and the rest was all just clips. Hope that helps you guys. Once we put this all back together, I can show you guys the rest, but I wanted to show you guys this piece. It's a lot easier to work on this regulator if you unscrew the window, which it kind of rests on with these guys, onto this bracket, which is part of the regulator, and that's what kind of slides up and down using that pulley. Getting rid of this bolt, which is, there's another one that you can access from over here. I already got rid of those before I thought about making this video. You get rid of those two, you can slide this window up, hold it with some tape, and then have enough room to work in here without worrying about the metal scratching the glass or breaking it. So I'm gonna move that thing up, tape it up, and I'll get another shot of that. Got the tape on. You can tell this was my, oh crap, hurry up before this window falls on you. Put that one on first, just enough to hold it so I can get the other ones on a little bit straighter. I'm using a really cheap masking tape. I didn't have anything better. We'll see what happens. But now it's out of the way. I can get this guy out of here, get the new one in, and see what happens. All right. That's the piece that's broken. You could see they use like this spring, like stopper kind of thing in here. That's what pulls it up, and it looks like this guy snapped off. Probably supposed to go in there. This guy's in here, and it kind of loops around this guy and comes all the way down. That's kind of how it pulls it up and down, I'm guessing. I don't know, but it's broken now. Made in Mexico. Ding, ding, ding. All right, let's see what's next here. All right, this is a new piece that's going in. I believe I'm gonna need a zip tie or something to secure this dongle a little better. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. All right. All right, getting this one in there, and looking up here for the, where are you? Peekaboo, hi. Would you like to put it in my hole? All right, one thing I wanted to share with you guys was, you know, when I started doing plumbing stuff, I learned that dry fitting a bunch of things can save you a lot of time in the future. So, you know, dry fitting something before you tighten everything and get started on that whole process will save you more time down the road. So I decided to just check everything beforehand. This all matches. So I just got this secured on, and I'm hoping that I can just kind of hook it up from over here. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. That's a cheese. Sid. Alright. God damn it. Yeah, professional hack job. Alright. I can see. It eats like a glove. Alright, so that's sitting in there. Did I even catch it? I don't know if I caught all that. Sorry guys, but it hooked in. And this one's there. Gonna tighten these guys up. Bring the window down so it latches onto this little piece over here. Get these wires hooked up. Easy peasy. Tightening these guys up. Alright guys, just zip tied this guy. Let's clean it up a little bit. Nothing crazy. That's out of the way. Now we're gonna bring the window down and have it rest on this guy. Get that bolted in, and then we'll just test it out. Oh, this switch is probably broken now because it got wet. Whatever. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, this is the window. I had it brought it down. It fit right in there. Little clips clip in, and the other guy, I don't know if I can see it the way you guys are positioned, but it's in there. It's a little bit higher than I would have wanted it, so maybe we have to just bring this window down. This could be our first test. I'm gonna need keys that I do not have on me. BRB. That means be right back. For those that aren't privy to the internet slang. Alright, we got it plugged in. This is going to be down. Alright, cool. So now we got it lined up. Pretty much lined up. But it's working. Oh yes, it's working. And I don't have to pay a mechanic to fix this. And I will take that money and buy cryptocurrencies with it and become a millionaire. Doge, or Shiba Inu, or maybe I'll just buy a steering wheel or something. I don't know. So putting the card back in is really just a matter of lining up the pins. But this part was just kind of interesting to me. I didn't expect to find this method of securing. I didn't know this is how they did it. So this is the lock, the door lock. You make sure it's unlocked by pulling up on it, and then you put this guy over it, find the height that you want it to be at, right? And then this just uses pressure to lock it in place. That's it. Alright, so now I gotta just get these guys screwed in, but the window is working. It's alive. It's alive. I show you. Done and done.